Hello everybody, my name is Naughty and welcome back to another random tech video today. And you guys probably watching this video and saw the thumbnail. And today we're gonna take a look at this guy right here. This guy right here, the Jonsbo DS8 8 display secondary monitor. And you're wondering what's inside the box, so let's jump right into it. Here we go. What you get inside the box? Well, first thing first, you get the monitor itself right here. 8-inch monitor. Very cool, very cool. This cable right here, this guy. A HDMI to MINI-HDMI for the mini monitor itself. The second cable you get is this USB-C to USB-A for power. So basically you're getting two cable. One is for video output and the other one is for power. So there's no like one cable each, is two cable, one for power and one for display capture. Okay. And instruction manual. You already know what we're gonna do with this manual. Nothing, because we're not gonna use it. And also you get right here in the box. There's I believe is called a stand for your monitor right here. So there's this stand right here. So 1, 2, basically you prop your monitor right here, like right here, and then you're gonna, it's like a stand basically right there. What is the spec of this guy right here? So let's talk about it. So number one, if you can see in this mini display, we have three buttons. The plus and minus. Keep in mind, there's no speaker on this monitor, so there's no such thing as volume up and down. There's only adjust the brightness of the screen, brightness up and down. And this guy is the on button to turn on the monitor of this monitor. Because hey, and keep in mind my thing about the spec. This guy, let me show you guys. This guy right here. This guy does 1080p, 1080p, 60 hertz. 60 hertz is gonna be totally fine. And another one is this guy is IPS, which is very good. IPS 1080p, 60 hertz, which is not bad for the price. Keep in mind, this thing costs like, in the US it costs $50. $50 you can find on deals, but for $50 for a secondary monitor is not a bad deal. This guy right here, am I thinking, why would I buy a secondary monitor like this size, 8 inches, 1080p, 60 hertz? Well, here's a great question. What are you really using in your secondary monitor? Are you using for the fullest potential of your monitor? Because keep in mind, buying two monitors is extremely expensive. Okay, no one want to buy a two monitor, one for gaming and one for preview. Like, let's be honest, you're not even using the full potential of your secondary monitor. You spend $200 for a freaking monitor that's 1080p, 144 hertz, and you just using it for literally just OBS or streaming or whatever. For this guy right here, 1080p. And keep in mind, you can do OBS, you can do streaming, you can do chat, Discord, Spotify. You can do a lot for $50 for a mini display. That's a steal. Let's be honest. You don't want to spend a 50 to 100 or 150 more for a secondary monitor. And the cool thing about this, the cool thing about this mini display is that number one, it's small, it's portable, and plus you don't need a. Imagine you're in a cramped area. Like for example, you only have a very small table. This guy does the job well. A mini display. You can see your OBS, chat, Discord, literally everything. You can see right now I'm recording. I'm playing Tekken right now. I'm playing Tekken, and the mini display is right here. The gameplay on the right, webcam on the left. This is some good ass Tekken recording. And for this, look at this big monitor, mini monitor, big monitor, mini monitor. Like come on, this guy is looking kind of sick. Keep in mind, there's no audio for this one. So, but look at this, 1080p. 60 hertz. You can clearly game. You can literally game, and there's a mini display. Make sure that you are recording it at all costs. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing, quick review of this guy, the Jonsbo DS8. Perfect for, I guess, content creator who have a very cramped space and you want a secondary display, but you don't want to spend $100 to $200 for an extra monitor. So this guy here does the job done. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. That's just very quick. I'm not gonna make it a long video. It's a display. Do I need to really explain myself? It's just a display. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.